Oh, you guys were at Cross Creek. You might remember my video the other day of the bus and this beautiful creek. Just had a bunch of rain and now it's going crazy.
Wow,
and it's
so high.
It was even higher. Look where it was.
Yeah.
Look at that. Going all the way down and all the mud.
Just yesterday.
That's cool.
Somebody had built, kids had built like a little rock tower, so it was a bigger rock.
Oh, the rock tower is gone.
It's
gone. They built a little rock tower out of cool little rocks. No, but they built another cool one. That is neat. And then there's the bus right there. We're parked right behind it. Oh, that's so cool. Cross Creek RV Park in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. This place is so much fun. So, look at that, man. Look at that. Oh, man. Very cool.
Yeah. And I love that lane.
All right, guys. Over and out.